Está.
A warm welcome to everyone who are presented here, respected dignitaries, SARS teachers, and my dear friends. I am Raghaveni of Standard 9 from ZPHS Indiranagar, Siddipet, Telangana. So, let us know about the basic features and about the importance of Scratch and also how to create program in Scratch. And I am from Zilla Parishad High School, Indiranagar, Siddipet, Telangana. So let us know about Scratch. Scratch is a programming. It helps and develops our critical thinking and also it develops our 21st century skills. Not only that, we can create Scratch in different types of purposes like in subject, in recipes, in games, etc. So there is no time limit and there are different types of important features in Scratch that are there is no ads between the Scratch and it is not a paid version. We can use it with free with our Gmail account. So without any let us move to our Google and let us know about Scratch coding. So it is a wonderful programming. It is an Android version and also it is we can code in computer also. So at first we have to type in our Google that is scratch.mit.edu login and here we can see login on Scratch and also Studios, Scratch MIT EDU login and join Scratch MIT EDU and Studios etc. So we have to select this link that is Scratch Imagine Program Share. So here we can see scratchmit.edu. So we have to click the link and it will be opened in our Chrome. So I want to sign out and I want to show how to sign in our Scratch account. So I already signed in. So I want to show like how to sign in Scratch again. So after sign outing, we can see like join Scratch, start creating or join. At first, we have to sign in with our Gmail account, which we created in our Gmails. So here we can see join Scratch. And then it will be asks us username, password, and also etc. our details. So without signing in, we didn't share our projects. So we have to sign in with our Gmail account. At first, we have to move to our Gmail and we have to choose an account in our Gmails. So here I am choosing this account. So this is the Gmail account I chosen in my Gmail. So at first we have to type our username. The important note is we have to use only the small letters instead of caps. So here I am using the small letters or small alphabets instead of caps. If we use the capital letters, there is no notification for our Gmail. So we have to create a strong password for our Scratch accounts. So it is very important. So here I am using only the small alphabets and there is no gaps also between the username. We can choose different types of accounts which are in our Gmail. So if there is no Gmail account, we can create our new Gmail and we can sign in with our Gmail account in the Scratch account. So for example, I am moving to Google and I am typing like Gmail. So I am creating a new Gmail account for the scratch. So we have to create our Gmail account with our mail ID. Madam,
Raghaveni, what happened?
మ్యామ్ మళ్ళీ సైన్ అవుట్ అయితే వస్తలేదు మేడం ఇందులో.
సైన్ అవుట్ అయితే
మళ్ళీ
వస్తలేదా?
కొత్త అకౌంట్ అడుగుతుంది.
కొత్త ఇప్పుడు యూజర్ నీది హ్యావ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ యువర్ ఓల్డ్ యూజర్ ఐడి అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Need not to create new account, just you go forward. యూజర్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్ తోటి సైన్ ఇన్ ఇట్లా కావాలని చెప్పి నీ పాత పాస్వర్డ్ యూజర్ ఐడి తోటే లాగిన్ అయ్యి.
ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ స్క్రాచ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ స్క్రాచ్ అని వస్తుంది.
లేదు, ఇప్పుడు రాదు. నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు కొత్త అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేయకు. సైన్ ఇన్ లకు పోయి నీ యూజర్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్ తెలుసు కదా, నీ యూజర్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్. నేను రికార్డ్ స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నాను. స్టాప్ చేయాలా?
చేయండి మేడం.
రెడీ.
A warm welcome to everyone, respected dignitaries, SARS teachers, my dear friends. So, I am Raghaveni of Standard 9th from ZPHS Indiranagar, Siddipet, Telangana. So, let us know about Scratch programming. It is also known as Scratch coding. The Scratch coding is the important programming. It plays a vital role and important role in our life. Not only that, it develops our 21st century skills, and also it develops our critical thinking skills. We can create scratch coding in different types of purposes like games, recipes, interactive stories, or also videos, etc. So there are different types of important features in Scratch, like there is no ads in between the Scratch videos, and we can see different types of options and languages in the Scratch. And also another main feature, it is not a paid version. We can use it free in our mobile and also in laptops or systems, etc. So let us learn how to code in the Scratch coding. So at first we have to type scratch.mit.edu or edu login. So it will be open in our Chrome. Or we can simply click on edu login. And then here we can see the types of options in that. At first, we have to sign in on our Scratch with our Gmail account. Before signing in, we have to register in our Scratch with our Gmail account. So after signing in, we can see, let us move to the Gmail. So after signing with our account, let us see, for example, I am choosing this account. So I got a notification in Scratch. So let us see. Yeah, after signing with our account, we can get our notification in our Gmail like this. So this is my account, and let us see, confirm my account, etc. After getting this notification to our Gmail, we can share our projects with anywhere or in Scratch also. So the notification is very important after signing in with our Gmail account. So I already registered. So click on sign in and then type your username, sign in with your account. So here we can see the types of options like create, explore, ideas, about, search bar and message and scratch icon. So here we can see the different types of options. Let us move to profile. So this profile about us, like our information, like we can type any information about us and it will be shows our projects also, what our future projects it means, what our future projects it means, like what we are continuing now in the scratch and what we are doing in our scratch. And account settings, let us see about account settings. All we know about the account settings, like our username and location. If you want to change your password or any location or etc, you can change in account settings. And there is a sign out option also. If you want to sign out, you can sign out, or if you want to continue in scratch, you can, or you can change your account and you can use different types of accounts in the scratch. So here we can see create, explore, ideas. If there is any no idea about how to create a project in scratch, it means basic learners or beginners. So we can simply click on ideas and we can choose different types of tutorials in the scratch. So we can try it or we can choose it, like how to create etc. And about, it means it is about scratch, like who uses scratch, what is the importance of scratch. It is a small video about scratch also. And messages, let us see about messages. In scratch there is a messages also. If we created any project, we shared in our scratch and we can see the post about the scratchers or in the, who are using the scratch, they can comment on our project also. So here we can see in our messages like comments or etc. So we learned about something like profile, account settings and ideas, message. So let us move to my stuff and then how to create a project. So my stuff is nothing but about project created in our stuff. So we created projects as in the stuff. If we created any project, it will be saved in our project in our stuff. For example, we can see the list of the projects like in the stuff. For all projects of 47 in the stuff, and there are shared projects, unshared projects and studios and trash. If suppose we are deleting anything, unfortunately we deleted anything. For example, I am deleting one important project, that is returning to home. Click on delete. Yeah, oh, I am deleted. Now I want that project. So let us move to trash and we can see the deleted projects. If you want to put back, it will be in our stuff. If you want to delete, it will be in our trash. So I am want to put back the project. So simply we can put back and we can see in our all projects. So here we can see returning to home. So it is a project. So now I want to show a project which are created in the scratch. So simply we can click on see inside or a link. If you want to see the code, you can simply click on see inside. If you want to see only the project, you can click and you can choose the link. And after clicking the link, you can see the project which are created in our stuff. And after that, my stuff is about like our saved projects, and it will be take some time, we have to wait. So it will be loading. So, and another thing is about our Scratch, that is, we can rename our project also. And if we open any project, so we can see the title on upside. For example, I am opening the Save Earth and Save Water project. So here we can see the title of the project also. So we can understand easily like what project we are opening. So yeah, this is a project. If you want to put back or anything, you can simply go to my stuff and you can see a lot of projects which you are created in the stuff. So there is a two ways to create a project. At first we have to see this project and then we can create the projects like this. And here we can see the flag and a red button or a stop one. And if we click on the green flag, it will be started. And if you click on red one, it will be stopped. So I am clicking the green flag.
Raghaveni, there is no sound, beta. Can you check once again? Share your computer audio.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, I will, ma'am. No, ma'am, there is no option. Share computer audio.
Go to three dots. More option.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You can see share computer audio or else audio.
No, ma'am, there is nothing.
Okay.
Nothing
Okay,
about.
no problem.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can continue.
So if we click on the green flag, the project will be started. If you want to stop, just click on the red button or a red flag.
Raghaveni, you can give the explanation, beta. There is no sound here.
Ma'am?
Audio is not coming, beta. Just you can go forward to how to create a project. Give explanation.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop sharing your project, beta.
Okay, madam. Okay. So this is the project about the save earth and save water. So let us create like this another project and we can learn like how to create a project, different types of blocks, backdrops, etc. in more details. So let us move to my stuff and here we can see the create. Simply click on create and you can create the new project in such manner and it will be loading like creating project. So now first there is a new project. So let us learn the basic one for this Scratch. What are the basic needs for this Scratch, like how to create project? So we already learned like how to sign in and about etc. our project. So let us create a simple project. So here we can see the backdrop one like a frame, and if we click on this, there is a search bar, painting, and another upload one. If you want to upload any backdrop or any background, so we can upload, or we can search, or we can paint, etc. So for example, I am searching. So here in the scratch there are n number of backdrops we can see in our scratch. We can choose different types of backdrops according to the situation and according to the project. And in all we can see the types of backdrops in the scratch or fantasy. So this is about the fantasy. Or if you want to choose the music backdrops, it means it's related to music, you can simply move to music. Or sports, if you want to create a project related to sports or etc., you can choose the sport backdrops. Or outdoors, like outside. Indoors, it means it inside, like our room, classrooms, etc. And another one also there, like space. If you want to create a project according to space or anything, you can simply choose the space backdrops. Or underwater also we can choose. So for example, I am choosing underwater one. Simply click on this, it will be applied. Yeah, it will be applied. So these are all called backdrops. It means background, but in Scratch it is called as backdrops. So we can apply backdrops by searching, or we can upload also, and we can paint also. So I didn't like this backdrop. I want to paint. So simply go to paint, and here we can see the arrow. This arrow is for clicking or choosing anything. So here we can see it will be choosing anything. And there is a second one. If you want to cut anything, you can cut. If you want to decrease, you can decrease. If you want to increase, you can increase. If you want to paint also, you can choose painting one also. For example, here I am choosing white color. So it will be applied like this. And paint, we already know about like painting. So here we can paint, and also we can increase the size of the brush. For example, if we increase it up to 50, see how broad it will be coming. And here we are doing in the backdrops, so it will be applied here. What we are do, it will be applied. So if you want to erase all, you can use eraser, or you can use that two arrows. Instead of eraser, you can use like this. It will be like first painting. If we click on this, yeah, this is a first painting like a backdrop. So it will be all are erased in this. If you want to paint, you can choose on paint. Eraser, all we are know, we can use for erasing anything. Or if you want to paint, you can click on paint and you can paint. If you want to write any text on the backdrop for simple understanding. For example, I am writing anything like underwater. So I written the text on this. So it is not visible for us. So simply you can change the color of your text. For example, here I am choosing the red color. And there is some visibility, and we can increase the size, font size, by dragging. First we have to select the arrow, and then we can increase the text size also. So I want to, it means I want to take or choose another handwriting. There is another option also for choosing our handwriting. Like there are different types of handwritings. So if you want to erase it, you can simply choose the arrow and it will be erased like a first one. So if you want to type again, and you can choose, you can simply click on the T, it means text, and you can type the text here. In the box we can see, I will show later, underwater. So for example, if you want to erase, you can click on the wrong and you can type it correct. So there is a different types of styles in handwriting, and also there is different types of colors also we can. So I'm writing that underwater on the image. So let us see what happened after writing. Yeah, first I want to change the writing style. So here we can see sans serif, serif handwriting, marker, curly or pixel, etc. There are types of handwritings in this. So if you want to choose sans serif, it will be like this. If you want to click on serif, it will be like this. So I want to, at first I will change the color, and so let us see the types of styles of handwriting. If you want to choose under serif or sans serif, you can. Or if you click on serif, so writing style is different with different styles of writing. So marker or curly or pixel, like a computer or a robot writing. So here I am choosing a marker writing. So it will be applied here. If we want to decrease the size of this, you can drag down like this, and you can set the position for this. So if you want to change another color, you can simply go to fill. Here we can see the fill also, and you can change color according to your wish. And there is a outline or etc. for this also. And there is another option. After the text, there is another option, that is a stick or a line. We can draw lines or anything on the backdrop. How? Let us see. At first, I will choose colors in the borders. So I'm increasing the outline to, it means 4 or 5. You can, or you can increase the outline to 50 also. Your wish. You can choose different types of outlines with different size. If you want to fill it, you can choose another color also for filling for that. And for outline also there are different types of colors. So if you want to choose only red color for only outline. So let us see what happened. Here I will draw a stick or a line. Yeah, the line will be drawn. So if you want to increase the size of this line, or you can erase, simply you can erase, or there is a arrow one. Yeah, it will be erase it. If you want to draw another line, first we have to choose the color, and for example I am choosing the 60. Outline is 60. What happened? Let us see. Yeah, it will be applied here also. So we can choose the different types of backdrops. Or if you want to erase, you can use the eraser, or you can simply click on these arrows. You can use these arrows also. So I completed my drawing, all etc. So if you want to draw a circle or a well or etc., you can simply click on the circle. You can choose the color here, different types of colors, and there is a style of colors. Let us see if there is a two colors, mixture of two colors, like in horizontal and vertical. So here I am choosing black and red. So there will be a mixing of color. It means mixture. You can use double colors in one way by choosing that one. So what happened? Let us see if we draw circle. Yeah, we can see double colors. If you want to choose this, it will be like this, up and down. It means it is a side by side. It is up and down. If we click on this, it will be in the middle. The black one is middle and the red one is outside of the black. If you want to delete, simply click on this arrow and choose this one. So after choosing, you can click on the remove one. Yeah, it will be deleted. So if you want to draw a square or anything on the backdrop, so for this text I want to cover with the square, and I want to write the text on the square only. At first we have to choose the square one. Here we can see the square option, and then like a circle we can draw a square. So I am choosing a one color. Yeah, here applied here, and I am choosing the blue one. So there is a text backside the box. What will we do? Let us see. Here we can see at first we have to click this blue block. It means blue box with the arrow. And then here we can see forward, backward types of options like copy, paste, delete, flip horizontal, flip vertical, etc. So the text is backside of the box. So the box will be moved to backward and the text will be visible to us. So simply click on the backward. Yeah, the text will be visible. So if you want to do anything, you can do different types of creations in our backdrop also. If you want to decrease the size of this box, you can. If you want to change the position of handwriting, you can. You can do anything in the backdrop by choosing different types of options. So I want to change this backdrop. Like, let us see. It means I am reversing this one. Yeah, flip horizontal. It will be reversed. The up one is down one and down one is up one. Like side by side and up and down. Yeah, it will be up and down. You can choose different types for your convenient. If you want to delete, you can delete also. So here we can see the delete one option. You can simply delete. All we are doing, it will be applied here. And if you want to copy, simply click on the copy. It will be copied. And here we can see the backdrops. We can upload and we can choose any number of backdrops. There is no time limit or there is no limit for backdrops. You can choose more than 50 backdrops in the Scratch. There is no, it means there is no paid version or anything. There is no restrictions to choose backdrops. So here I painted this backdrop, right? It will be applied. If you click on this, it will be applied. It will be the plain backdrop. It will be colored backdrop. So I want to paint like this here also. So it will be a lot of work or lot of spending time for this. So simply click on this. First choose on this arrow and click on this and copy. So here we can see paste. Yeah, I'm choosing one by one. And here we can see copy. And here I'm simply pasting. Simply pasting and you can choose. There are two backdrops for us. There is painting is some difficult, like copying, pasting is also difficult for us. So simply this is a simple one. You can delete the backdrop. You want another backdrop like this. So click on duplicate. Yeah, we can see the two same backdrops, similar backdrops. So we can duplicate a number of backdrops like this. For example, duplicate. Yeah, we can duplicate more than 50 backdrops also. So I'm deleting. I want only one backdrop. So with me there is only one backdrop. So I'm typing this backdrop name as 1. Let us see. It is backdrop number 1. So we learned about like backdrops. So if you want to change this writing, like flip horizontal, let's see what happened. Yeah, the writing will be changed on horizontal, and flip vertical, it will be downside. So we can reverse anything in the Scratch, or we can do anything in the Scratch. And there are different types of options in the Scratch. So if you want to cut anything, it means it is a big image or a big backdrop. I want to shorten it and I want to zoom it. What I will do, let us see. Here we can see another option also, convert to bitmap. Simply click on the convert to bitmap and it will be converted into bitmap. And here also same options, but it is some difficult or different comparing to vector one. If I want to cut like, yeah, I'm cutting this, it will be selected and delete. Yeah, and cut it and cut this. And then what happened? Let us move to vectors. Yeah, it will be saved like a cut one. So we can drag it like this, or we can increase by dragging like this. Yeah, it will be a full one. So if you want to zoom this, how? Here we can see the place, it means minimize or maximize. If you click on the maximize, you can see maximize one, or if you want to minimize for your convenient, you can. Yeah, how we can painted one backdrop underwater. So I didn't want this backdrop. I want to paint one other one. So here we renamed as back 1. Now I want to rename as 2. Let us see 2. And I want to paint in this backdrop. I didn't choosing or I didn't selecting this one. I want to paint with my own for my convenient. You can use simple two ways, that are painting or drawing a square one. If you want to paint, you can choose a color and you can paint. If you want to draw, you can draw. First, I am choosing the blue color, and you can simply drag here. Yeah, it will be applied here also. So I didn't want this color this much dark. Yeah, light blue color. Yeah, here I am painted this one. So I renamed as background number 2. If you want to change color, simply select on arrow and you can change colors. If you are changing, it will be changed. Yeah, I will be remained same. I will be selecting only same color. So here also I am writing, that is underwater only. Underwater. Yeah. After that, you can choose the types of colors. So here I am using the serif handwriting. So here you can drag it, you can increase your handwriting. Yeah, yeah, it will be applied here after writing. Or you can choose types of colors after uploading or applying. So blue is some better. Yeah, it will be applying. If you want to drag upside, here also position is upside. If you want to drag downside, let us see. Yeah, here also the position is down one. Yeah, I am decreasing this one. Sorry. So here I am decreasing the size of. So here we can see the size also. So there are two backdrops with me. One I chosen with the scratch. It means in the scratch. One is for painting. So I want to select a random backdrop. So in search bar we can see the types of backdrops in the scratch only. And in painting we can paint. And here another third option is, if you click on this, it will be applied randomly. We didn't choose anything. It will be applied randomly. If suppose I am clicking this one, yeah, it will be applied. I didn't choose any backdrop. It will be applied only. So this is a random backdrop for choosing random one. So let us move to our backdrops also. So I didn't choose any backdrop. It will be applied randomly. So I am renaming as 3. Now there are 3 backdrops with me. So one is painted one is searched one, and another one is random backdrop. And another backdrop I want to choose with uploading. So upload backdrop. We can see in downloads. So I didn't download it now. So simply you can choose underwater images in the Google. So search. Let us select one beautiful image. I'm choosing. Yeah, it is some colorful and it will be similar to the backdrop. So I will be choosing this backdrop. So if we press on the image like a long press, you can see download image, share image. If you click on download, yeah, it will be downloaded and we get notification as download one. Yeah, underwater empty. It will be downloaded. So let us move to our scratch. Now let us select, yeah, it will be downloaded. We can see in our downloads. So simply click on this. It will be applied in the backdrops. How, let us see. Or we didn't want to upload here backdrop. You can select here also. Here also there is search option, paint option, and also random backdrop. So here I am uploading a backdrop in the browse that is underwater. Yeah, let us wait for few minutes. What? So let us see once again. So I will select another image. For example, I am choosing the screenshot. How I will select and how I will upload, let us see. Yeah, here I took a screenshot of this one. Yeah, the screenshot is uploaded. Here also it will be visible. But there is a lot of images on our screen. It will be on this image. So how, let us see what I will do. At first the image will be in bitmap. If you are in vector, you can simply choose to convert to bitmap, and then at last you can see the arrow. You can click on arrow and select on the image. Yeah, it will be selected. Simply click on delete, it will be deleted. Yeah, I am deleting all this one. I want only the water image underwater. So yeah, it will be deleting. Yes, it is deleted. Let us see. Yeah, some more is there. So we also delete this one and downside. Yeah, comparing to these backdrops, this backdrop is too smaller. So I want to increase the size of the backdrop. How? Here we can see convert to vector. Click on convert to vector, and in default it will be on arrow. So click an arrow. You can drag this image into full box. Yeah, I'm dragging. We can drag how much you want. So if you want to decrease, you can drag down for decreasing also. At first I want to apply this backdrop into full screen, and then I will be dragging downside. First, yeah, it will be dragging like this. Yeah, we got only some image. How, what will we do? Simply click on this image and copy and then paste. Here there is another one. So here we can see attach. We can attach this. Give a side click Oh, there is a gap between there. So you can copy one more and you can paste. I copied 3 images. So it will be applied like this. There is no copy one, there is no paste one on the screen. And here we can see the save now option. After clicking the save now, it will be saved. Yeah, it will be saving. We can, and I am renaming backdrop 4. Yeah, with me there are 4 backdrops. Yes. So let us move to sprites. So I chosen the backdrops related to water. So I didn't want this cat. What I may do is, here if we click on the cat, here we can see another one box. The yes, the cat is called as sprite or a character. But in our language we can use as character. So in Scratch it is called as sprite. So this is not related to my project. So I'm simply deleting. Yeah, it will be deleted. So how what we choose instead of cat? So here we can see the backdrops. And after that cat icon, here we can see the same options in the backdrop also. In that way, we can see in the sprites also. In sprites, we can search or we can paint, we can pick a random sprite or we can upload, like in our downloads. So, for example, I'm searching. Yeah, I'm searching the backdrop related to underwater. It means animals in the underwater. So, at first, it is called as sprites. These are all sprites in the Scratch. In default, we can see related to animals. Yeah, related to animals. It means it's related to animals. Related to people. Yeah, these are our people sprites. It means people characters. You can choose for your backdrop or your project with your convenient. Or we can see dance. It is related to dance, music. Yeah, it is related to music. The sprites are related to music only. Or sports. Yeah, sports. Food. It is also related to food. Fashion. It means dressing style or etc. So I'm clicking on all. Let us search for the water animals. So here we can see frog, 2 frogs. Let us see the best frogs or best animals in the animals one. Yeah, here we can see the different types of animals in the animals. So I want to take the sprite related to my project. So I want to select shark. Yeah, the shark will be applied on our backdrop. So you can change the position, you can move, you can drag or anywhere. So here we can see the shark. Yeah, if we click on this, it will be clicked. Yeah, if you want to increase or decrease the size, I want to increase size in the 10% or 5%. Here we can see size, direction, hide show, x-axis, y-axis and the sprite name. At first I want to increase the size of a shark 105. Yeah, did you observe any difference between? So for example 150. Yeah, it is too large. So definitely choose 100 only. Yeah, it will be some smaller comparing to 150. Yeah, we set the size of a sprite. So let us see another one. So it will be renamed as shark. I will be renaming as a water animal. Let us see water animal. Yeah, it will be saved our sprite name. So let us see the position of this. For example, I am dragging here. The X position and Y position is changing. Did you observe? Or let us see. Yeah. If we place it here, the X position is minus 21, Y is 69. If we place it here, the X position is minus 176 and the Y is minus 34. So we can choose the position of a sprite also. Yeah. I am choosing here upside. Yeah, it will be minus 110, means 110, and Y position is 66. If you want to change the direction, simply you can type or you can use this. It will be reversed, upside, downside, or 90 degrees. Yeah, direction. So there is another one is hide and show. If you click on this, it will be in the show. Hide, show, hide, show, hide. Yeah. So let us move and let us paint this sprite also. Simply click on the costumes. There are two types of costumes. Here we can see this one, sorry, and this one. Shark A and Shark B. So if we click on Shark B, it will be applied here. Click on Shark B. Yeah, it will be applied here. So there are two costumes. It is called as costumes. For sprites, it is called as costumes, and for backdrops, it is called as only backdrops. So if you want to choose this, it means choose this one, two, you can change the position. So let us see flip horizontal. Yeah, flip horizontal, sorry. Drag the tail here, I'm painting. Yeah, now the position of the shark is another side. If you want to face this side, you can. Oh, simply I am choosing the arrows. Yeah, let us see. Yeah, it will be this side. And I want to fill the color in this. Sorry, I want to highlight this one. Yeah, it will be applied here also. So I want to choose black color. It will be in black. No, I didn't want to paint anything. So I want that. Yeah, it will be same. So if you want to add anything on this, so simply click on the text. I'm writing as shark. Yeah, I'm choosing the handwriting style. And then color. Yeah, it will be saved. So for this also I want to write like this. So there is a writing, always boring. So click on the arrow and you can copy this writing and move to this. You can paste. Yeah. For this change the color. Yeah. it will be changed. So for this I am renaming as 1. For this as 2. Yeah, we completed in sprites also. So let us move to code. After the code, you can upload different types of sprites and then backdrops. So my theme is there is a shark. It will be moving and it will eat a ball. So I want to upload another sprite that is a ball. So how? So I will simply choose the search one and I am choosing the ball. Ball. Yeah, here it is a ball, but I didn't want to choose this ball. I will paint. Yeah, here we can see the paint one. Painting. Yeah, it will be open in our costumes. So how to paint a ball? I already said there is a search, it means circle one. Simply choose this circle one. Yeah, I will be filling with red color. Yeah, it will be automatically filled. And then I am choosing only, no, I am duplicating. Yeah, the 4 is enough. At first, I want to rename as a costume 1, costume 2, or 3 and 4, etc. Yeah, 3 and 4. Yeah, with me there are 4 costumes. So I want to change in different types of colors. At first, click on the arrow and for this I am painting green one, and for this, sorry, I am choosing pink. Yes, pink. And for this I am choosing blue. Yeah, there are 4 costumes like 4 balls. And my theme is the shark is in the water and there is a ball. The shark didn't know what is it. So the ball will be changed in different types of colors. So my theme is it will be the shark is full. So I want to change the colors of balls. With me there are 4 costumes. So I will be use that one and I will create a project. And my theme is the shark is fooled with this project. How? Here there is a shark. It is so too hungry. So it saw a ball. But it didn't recognize it is a ball. So it is thinking that it is a new animal in the water because it is an underwater, right? So it is recognizing like that, yeah, it is a new animal. I am in hungry, so I want to eat it. So it will be moved like front, move forward. So after reaching this ball, the ball is changed its colors. Here in our costume there are 4 balls like different types of colors, right? So I will be confusing the shark. At first, click on the sprite ball and change the size by 30. Yeah, it is for a convenient. If you place here, the x and y axis also change it. So yeah, I completed. And then let us move to code for the shark. Yeah, for the shark. At first, if you want to pick a random sprite, you can click on the random. Yeah, it will be a random sprite. I didn't choose, I didn't search, I didn't uploaded anything. It will be coming randomly. So I will be deleted like a remove one. If you want to upload, simply click on files in the downloads. You can see that in our downloads, and you can choose in the downloads. For example, I want a small fish. At first, I will be save. Sorry, I will save this project, and yeah, it will be saved, and I will open a new tab. At first, I'm searching the fish images. Yeah, we can see the types of fishes. So I am choosing the simple one, the small one, or you can choose this one. Yeah, it is correct. And long press, it will be downloaded in the Google. We can search in Google and we can download. Yeah, it will be downloaded. We got a notification, right? So we can move to Chrome and click on upload. What happened? Let us see. Yeah, angelfish 250 into 250. Yeah, I'm uploaded. Oh, yeah, we can see the background for this image. There is a problem with background for this image. I want this fish like a shark. There is no background for this shark. So I want to choose this fish like a shark. How? Yeah, there is another idea. At first, I will open a new tab and will show. I want to delete and click on save now. Yeah, the project is saved. Let us move to Google. Yeah, it will be downloaded, right? And we have to search in the Google, that is remove background for image or remove background free online. You can choose different types. Yeah, yeah, here I can see www.remove.bg. It will be cloud converter. There is no restrictions, there is no paid version, etc. Click on the remove background link. Yeah, it will be open in our Chrome. Yeah, remove image background 100% automatically and free. Yeah, we noticed that. And here we can see the upload image, right? Click on upload image, browse. I already downloaded, right? So click on simply this image. Yeah, it will be removing. We have to wait. Yeah, there is no backdrop for this. If you want to crop, you can click on edit. So you can see the colors, etc. I didn't choosing anything. Simply I am downloading. Download image. Yeah, it down we can see angelfish 250 to 50. Yeah, remove bg preview png is downloaded. So let us move to our scratch and let us apply this. Yeah, move to my stuff and then yeah, this is our project. We are continuing with this. So let us upload the sprite which we are uploaded right now in the remove backdrop png or remove background png, and here we can see the upload option, another one. Click on files, recent one. Yeah, this first one is, click on open. Yeah, it will be applied same like a shark. So it is too easy. So we can decrease the size. It is a small fish, right? So that it is too larger. 20. Yeah, it will be good one. And then I want to rotate this fish like this in costumes. At first convert to vector and click on arrow, it will be randomly, it will be there. Yeah, click on this, flip horizontal. Yeah, the facing of this is. So I want to choose the two costumes. One is facing this one and one is facing the side, that side, sorry. So I want to rename as one and another is two. The facing one. There are two facing sides. Yeah. So we selected all the sprites and we chosen the different types of backdrops. So let us see for code. At first, if we click on the backdrop, here we can see backdrop. There is no motion blocks for backdrop because the backdrop is there is no movement in backdrop. Is the background is mode? No, right? So there is no motions. So here we can see looks. Looks is nothing but it will be helped for switch backdrop, switch costume. It will be changed. It will be changed our color, or it will be set our color or graphic effects, etc. In the looks we can see. So in sounds, all we know about sounds. So sound, it will be sound effects for our background. In movies, we can see the sound effects in such way. We can see the sounds in this backdrop also. So here we can see types of sound blocks. It will be called as blocks. There are various types of blocks. Switch backdrop. What happened? Let us see. I am dragging here. For example, I am choosing first backdrop. Yeah, if you click on this, sorry. Yeah, our first backdrop is this. It is right or wrong? Let us see. Yeah, same backdrop. So if you want to click on second one. Yeah, our second backdrop is this one. Or third. Yeah, our third backdrop. And fourth backdrop is this one. So you can change the backdrops and you can give effects, graphics, and you can change the color, etc. in the looks. Yeah, sound. All we know about sound, these are sound blocks. You can set the volume, you can change the volume of an audio, you can upload an audio or you can upload a video, etc. Find you can play sound and you can choose different types of sounds. In default, there is a sound like a pop sound. If you click on, yeah, it will be played. Yeah, and events. The events is very important in the Scratch. It plays an important and vital role in the Scratch coding. If, for example, I am arranging all the blocks, yeah, I am arranging. And if we click on the green flag, what will be happen? Yeah, it will be started, but there is no response or there is no changes in this backdrop, sprite, etc. So if we click on when the green flag is clicked, if we choose this one, the event blocks, it will be works. How? I will be clicking. Yeah. If you remove sound and I will see. Yeah, here I am choosing only 4 backdrop. Now I didn't using the when clicked block. I separating this two one. Now I am clicked the green flag. Yeah, there is nothing will be happen. If we attach this when code, let us start. Yeah, the backdrop will be changing like this and you can listen the sound also like play sound pop. So the event blocks is very important in the code or a blocks. So if you want to, when the backdrop switches to 1, you can switch backdrop to 4. If the backdrop is switches to 1, so it will be switched backdrop to 4. Yeah, when the backdrop is switched to 1, it will be switched to 4. Yeah, in this way you can choose the different types of event blocks, and you can choose the, it means you can choose different types of letters, alphabets, etc. For example, we are creating a game. When the space bar is clicked, switch backdrop to 4. I am choosing, switch backdrop to 1. What is our first backdrop is? What is our first backdrop? This is, yeah, underwater. So I'm clicking the green flag. It is not changing because here we have to click only the spacebar. If we click on spacebar, it will be changed to backdrop 1. And up arrow, down arrow, any A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like alphabets, etc. Any. Let us see. Yeah. In the keyboard, if we click on any word or any key, it will be changed to backdrop 1. And control. In name itself, we can see control. It means it control our sprites, our time limit, our sprites, our backdrops, etc. So in control, we can see wait 1 second, repeat forever, if then else, wait until, repeat until, stop all, create clone of water animal. So I already said that if we start any project with code, first you have to choose when clicked, when the green flag is clicked. So here I will drag, wait 1 second. Yeah, it will be wait 1 second. There is no changes. After wait 1 second, repeat 10 times. Let us. We didn't choose anything. What will be repeated? No, right? So switch backdrop to 4 and switch backdrop to 2. Yeah. When the green flag is clicked, wait 1 second and repeat for 10 times. What will be repeated? That switch backdrop to 4, switch backdrop to 2. Let us see. It will be wait for 1 second and it will be repeated for, I'm remembering, wait 1 second, right?
Raghaveni,
Yeah, ma'am.
can you conclude your presentation better? Have you you have to join the ELTA International Yoga ELTA Varangal at 4:30 p.m.
Ma'am, can I continue it tomorrow?
Yeah. If you are interested, then you can continue now.
Ma'am,
But
continue, ma'am. I will.
huh?
No, ma'am, I will continue. I will continue.
Okay, you can. You can better.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. When the green flag is clicked and it will be repeated for 10 seconds. For example, I am arranging the wait 1 second at first. What will be happen? Yeah, there is no changes. So we have to arrange the wait 1 second between two backdrops. Now let us see the changes. Yeah, if we want to, I will be increasing the wait 5 seconds, right? So we have to wait for 5 seconds and then it will be switches to repeat. Yeah, it will be switching. So it will be repeated for 10 times. And then this is about all the control. If you want to stop all, yeah, it will be stopped. There is no work. We can stop all. Create clone of water animal. We can create our new clone of water animal. Here, what is a water animal? That is shark, right? So let us see. Sorry. Yeah. For example, I am choosing repeat 10 times, create clone water animal. Yeah, here we can see we can create the clone also by choosing the event blocks and also control. Sensing. Sensing is all about the mouse pointer. It operates with our mouse pointer. Like when the space, when the up arrow or down arrow is pressed, it will be moved like this. And mouse down, mouse X, mouse Y, loudness timer, reset timer, etc. For example, I am choosing ventricle and then repeat. So I want to drag mouse down and I want to place in this. Sorry, I want to place here only. Let us see, mouse down is not work. Yeah, there is no work. Means there is no functioning happened. So it will be suitable in this point and also in this one. Let us see where it will be suitable. Yeah, if there is any shape like this, yeah, if then it will be suitable. For example, mouse down is placed in the middle. It will be, yeah. So we have to arrange code in the suitable one. So it will be attached in this. If we see these shapes, simply we can choose this one. Yeah, this one. And sensing. Let us see some more. Yeah, day since 2000 or username, etc. This is all about mouse pointer. You can choose with your mouse pointer. Operators. Operators is nothing but in our math you can see the operators, right? Like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or etc. If you want to create a game and there will be a apple fall, the falling of apple. So at one time you have to code for one apple, two apples, three apples for falling. It means at one time there will be five apples for falling. At second time there will be four or three or two, like that. So simply for this problem you can choose pick random 1 to 10. It means between 1 to 10 there is a different types of numbers, it will be followed. Yeah, so here we can observe the another one. So it will be also suitable for this only. If I will be placed in the middle, yeah, it is not a suitable code. If you, yeah, here we can see, yes, here we can place these operators, and here we can see the types of the blocks: join apple, banana, later one of apple, length of apple, apple contains a, mod, round, apps, etc. So I'm dragging when the stage clicked. I'm choosing this one, pick random. There is any work, let us see in the yeah, there is no work, there is no applyment, and there is no response if we place like this a code. So we have to code in a good manner and a suitable manner. So it will be in a round one oval shape. It will be supported in this only. It will be switched and it will be applied. It is suitable for this shapes only. If I place here, let us see what happen. What will be happen? It will be gone backside and it will be in middle. If it will be like is, it will be suitable and it will be applied in this. Yeah, this is about operators. Variables. Variables. You can create your own variables. If you are creating a game, you want a score block. So in any blocks or in any one, you didn't saw a score block. So here we can see make a variable SCO or is score. And yeah, here we can see the score is 0, right? Score is 0. Here also we can see the score block and set my variable, set score, rename variable, delete the my variable. I'm deleting my variable. It will be deleted. So there is only score. If you want to delete the score variable also, simply delete. Yeah. So in variables, there are no variables. We all deleted the variables. Make list. For example, I am making a list. Score only. Yeah. If there is a 2 players or etc., you can make a list simply. Yeah. Here we can see the new blocks in the variables, right? Yeah. Or make a list. Yeah, here we can see there is no list. If you click on the right, it will be list. No list. Yeah. Here we can see the variables and my blocks. It is our my blocks like a variable, but instead of when clicked, you can use the block. For example, I am also typing a score. Go. Okay. Yeah. Here we can see instead of when clicked or even block, let us see. Yes. Both are same. Here we created a block. So define score. If I click on this, automatically the green flag is clicked. If we click on this, automatically the green flag is clicked. So if you want to delete this code, simply drag here, it will be mode. Yeah. Here we learned about like the blocks and how to arrange also. So here we can see the another extension. This is an extension for our project in a best manner. Click on this. Yeah, if you want to create any musical instrument in the scratch, simply click on this. It will be applied. If you want to click, it means if you want to paint, simply click on this pen extension and you can draw with your sprites using the sprites. And video sensing, it means it sends motion with the camera. It will be used with camera and it will be used with playing instruments. We can see the playing instruments in our sprite also, right? And if you want to type anything, there is a boring in type. So if you want to speak, it means if you speak or if you spoken, you can see the text. Yeah, there are different types of extensions in the scratch. For example, I am choosing this one. Yeah, there is a pin block. It is also one block. Only eraser because we are doing in a backdrop. We didn't paint or we didn't choose anything in the backdrop, right? So we can see there is no motion blocks and there is no extensions in the backdrops. So we learned about like blocks in the scratch. So let us move to the single sprite and let us animate and we can do the project. At first I am giving a code for shark, but in the shark we can see the too much sprites. It means too much blocks, pen blocks in the water animal that is shark. But let us compare to backdrop. Yeah, there is only one block eraser. Yeah, but in water animal we can see n number of blocks related to pen only. So and we can see motion blocks also. So we can observe and we can conclude that in backdrops there is no motion blocks, but in sprites there are will be motion blocks. It means because the sprite will be mode, but the backdrop will not be mode. So we have to use the motion blocks for sprites only. So in such manner, the motion blocks is only used for sprites. So at the first we have learned like look, sounds, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, blocks, my blocks, and 10 extensions. So we didn't learn the motion block. Motion is nothing but a movement. If you want to move a character and if you want to give a movement to the character, you can simply choose motion blocks. Like move, for example, for shark, I will be dragging move 10 steps. So the when clicker block is very important for functioning. So sorry, great. Yeah, it will be moving. Yes, right. It will be moving. So there are two costumes for that. So here we can see the costumes. Let us select the single costume. And there are two sharks, right? So we have to mention which costume is moved and which costume is stopped. So when the event is clicked, switch costume to 2 and move 10 steps. Now let us see what happened. Yeah, both are in this one, right? So here I am created a clone. So we have to click on the clone. Yet before we have created the clone, so simply click on the delete this clone. Yeah, it will be clone. We created a lot of clones, so it will be, yes, these are all clones. For example, I am placing, sorry, when delete this clone, I am placing here, and then let us see the functioning of a code in this project. Yeah, so these are all the clones. So we can choose this one, and then yes, these are all the clones. We can duplicate and we can, yeah, these are all the clones. If you want to delete, simply you can click on the delete. Yeah, it will be deleted. So let us move to costumes. Yes, yeah, there are lot of clones I created, so it will be coming like this. Yes, we have to delete for some more minutes, so it will be deleted. So there is another option, like we can create the clone for that. So we have to delete the shark. I will be deleting this. Yes, it will be deleted. Yeah, these are all the scratches. It means these are all the shark which are means which are created as clone. So I didn't want this. There is another option, like click on backward. Yes, back. So changes you made may not be saved. So it will be not saved. Simply click on the leave. So the changes are not saved. It will be remain the same as our first project. So we can learn that if we click on the sprite, you can create the clones for that sprites also. So yeah, if we are dragging, there is no another shark, right? Yes, yes. And if we click on, when the event block is clicked, move 10 steps. Yeah, it will be moving. Yes, 10 steps. Yes. So it will be moved 10 steps. With the help of this, we can give the moment for this. For example, I am giving when the green flag is clicked, move 10 steps and go to random position. It means the shark will be moved 10 steps and it will be go random position. We didn't expect it. Yeah, yes. It will be like this. And let us see the turn this side. What happened? After moving 10 steps, it will be turned, and after turning, it will be gone to random position. Yeah, it will be turned and it will be go to random position. Yes, we can drag here. Yes, the shark is in rotated. So we can simply choose the 90 degrees. Yeah, it will be remain the same. And go to x to minus 94 and y to minus 193, 1 minus 103. Yeah, it will be in same position. For example, I am choosing go x to 80 and y is remain the same. Let us see position. Yes, the xit position is here. So here we can see the 79 position. For example, yes. Now here we can see the x is 80 and also y is 103. So we can compare. Yes, right. Minus 103 and 80. So and glide. It means falling. Yeah, random position. For 1 second, it will be in a random position. For example, mouse pointer. Yeah, sorry. When the event is clicked, I will be choose the this one forever loop. Let us see forever for yes, and my mouse pointer is here. It will be gliding and also it following the mouse pointer. Yeah, right. Yes. For example, I am clicking here. I am clicking on ball. I am clicking on fish. Yes, where I am placing it will be moving. Clicking on ball, clicking on fish. Yes, with the help of mouse pointer, you can just and sensing we can know right, and then point towards mouse pointer. If you want to control that one, simply choose on mouse pointer. When the event block is sorry, when the green flag is clicked, forever loop apply, and then you can see what will it be happened. Yes, here I am clicking on the fish. Yes, I'm rotating, it will be rotating. I'm moving, it will be moving with the help of this, right? So point towards mouse pointer. If I'm pointing here, I'm pointing here. Yeah, if you point to where it will be moved. So the movement of that is like this. So I want to give same position 90. Sorry, 90 position. Yes, it will be 90 position. So these are all about the motion blocks, and you can change the x-axis, y-axis. In the mass graph, you can see the x-axis and y-axis, right? So in the scratch also, you can change the position. It will be helped on position. If on edge, it will be bounce. So forever loop, when the event is clicked, and for example, say hello for 2 seconds. Let us see what happened. Hello. Yeah, it will be not moving. Yes, it will be bounce forever. So it will be said hello, and If we click, it means if we move, yeah, it will be not moving. Yes, see, yes, I'm moving. For example, I'm dashing here. Yeah, the face is like this. I'm dashing. Yes, the position is changing. If the corners were touched to the sky, it means to the shark. Yes, right. So first, I will set the 90 degrees, and then yes, if the edge bounds, it will be change the position also. Yes, and then you can set the rotation style, like don't rotate all around or left and right. For example, all around. When the event is clicked, forever loop. Let us see. Sorry. So it will be rotated all around. We didn't give anything. It will be rotated. It means we can choose the forever loop for this, right? So it will be rotated. Yes, it will be rotated like this. It means we have to set. We didn't change this one, so it will be not rotating. We have to set the rotation style to all around, for example, left and right. Yeah, yes. We set it at left or at right. So this is all about the motion block. At first, I will be change the direction to the sprite. Yes, it will be in 90 position. So I already said the theme of the project. The shark is in very hungry, so it saw a ball. It means it see a ball, and it will be thinking like, yeah, it is a new creature in the. It means in the water. So I want to eat it. I'm so hungry. So I want to confuse the shark by changing the color of the ball, and the shark become full. So this is the theme of this project. It is a short and simple project. We can do animations also. At first, I'm clicking on the shark. When the event block is clicked, it means when the green flag is clicked, move only for 2 steps. Sorry, 2 steps. At first, we have to set the position of this shark, right? If you didn't set a position for this shark, let us see what happened. Yeah, it will be going forward. But when it is when actual position, and then it will be more for 2 steps. So we have to set the x-axis and y-axis to such position. Set x-axis to -108, y to -128. So here we can say y-axis is x-axis is in -108, y is in -128. Now let us see what happened. Yeah, it will be in same position, and also it's moving. So I want to repeat it for 5 times or 6 times. So there is a movement, right? So I want to repeat it for 2 or 3 times. So if you want to choose forever loop, it will be function is in forever. So I didn't want to choose the forever loop. I will be simply choose repeat for only, yes, only for 2 times. Sorry, 4 times. So let us see. Okay, it is not functioning. So there is a problem in our code. I am arranging more 2 steps here, and I am setting the Y and X position to upside. Yeah, it will be moving sometimes. So let us see in another way. Go to X and Y to this position. So let us see. Yeah, it will be also functioning like same like this. So we have to set, or we have to change the X and Y position for our convenient. So for example, I am choosing like this only. Yeah, it will be repeated for 4 times. So I want this, though didn't change any position. So if I'm clicking, let us see what happened. Yes, right, there is a no position. So we have to set our set X and Y in correct position. So it will be in correct position, and you can choose X and Y with your convenient and for your project. So I'm setting here the shark, so it will be changing as time as, yeah, it is fixed. So move 2 steps is repeated for 4 times. In this also, I want to animate this scratch, it's shark. Repeat. Sorry, I'm increasing the steps and I'm increasing same 4 times. And here we can see the 2 costumes, right? This one, this one. At first, here we can choose looks. I already know, and I already said you that you can choose the looks blocks for changing backdrops for etc. So repeat, it will be repeated for 4 times. 1 and 2. Now let us see. Yeah, we have to move 5 or 6 steps, and we can repeat for 5 times. Yeah, at first it will be set the position. For example, the shark is here. So we have to set the position, and after setting the position, you can give the code for this. For example, I am moving here. Yeah, it is coming backside and it's setting its position, and it is moving to 10 steps. So it is following our code. So I am repeating for 6 times, move 10 steps, and wait 1 second, separate one. I will be separate. Yes, we can increase the seconds. Yes, it is repeating. So I didn't use this one. Simply I'm duplicate this code at first. And another. Yes. And we can apply the wait one here. Yes, wait 3 seconds. I will be apply. Wait 3 seconds. Yes, wait 3 seconds. Yes, right. So here I am repeating the 10 steps for 6 times, and I am switching the costume. So I will give separate code for this. Let us see what happened. It will be function in same time. Yes. So I am didn't setting anything. Simply I am repeating. Yes. Move 10 steps. It means I am choosing move 25 steps. Let us see. Yes, it will be moving and changing, moving and changing, moving and changing. So we have to repeat it for our convenience. Here I am choosing for only like we have to follow the time limit 20. Let us, yes, it is not functioning right. So let us see what happened if we click on, if we choose like forever loop for this only forever, it function will be in, yeah, it will be moving. So we have to set the x and y axis. If we set, it will be in same position and it will be in work. Yes, it will be continuing, right? Yes, I will be dragging. Yeah, my shark position is x is minus 105 and y is minus 140. Yeah, x is minus 105, y is minus 140. Now let us see. Yeah, it will be gone. So I am moving, I'm decreasing. Sorry, it's like 70. 177. Now let us see. Yeah, if we click on this, it will be in same position and it will be moving. So I want only 13. It will be sufficient. No, right? I'm choosing 10. Now, yes, it will be moving to, yeah, it will be reached to the ball. So I want to decrease some more. Yes, it will be reached to ball. So this is not working. Let us see. I'm deleting and I'm giving separate code for this. Let us see. When the event block is clicked, click on forever. No, right? Forever is not sufficient. Repeat for 20. So here we are repeating for 20 times in this code. So here we have to repeat for 10. So here in this code we repeated for 20 times. So in this we have to repeat for 10 seconds. So let us see. So I am clicking the wait block also. There is a changes. Let us see. Stop and I will be start. Yes, it is changing, but there is no animation. 2 seconds. For example, I am giving this code in this only. Let us see. I'm arranging. Yes. Yes. After reaching, it will be coming. So we have to change. So here changing, I am decreasing and increasing. Yes. It will be changing its position. Yes. So let us see. For example, I'm didn't using this one. I simply use this like this. I will be duplicate. Wait, switch costume to 2. Wait 3 seconds and switch costume to 1. Here I will be choose 1, 2, and wait 3 seconds, duplicate, and then duplicate. Yeah, it will be changing its position, right? Yes, now we can observe. Yes, so I want like this only. So I want to duplicate another. Yes, this is a code for costumes. We didn't set any position. It will be set and it will be moved and it will be animated after reaching the ball. Yeah, how, let us see. Yes, it is animating, right? Yes, we can simply click on save now. It will be saved. So I completed one thing in this. So I want to give sound. This sound is not suitable in such animals. And in sounds also, we can see different types of sounds in all. Let us see all sound sets, all sounds in default in the Scratch. We can see the types of sounds. In animals, you can see the sounds of animals. For example, horse. Horse. Yes, this is the sound of horse. Yeah, FX. For example, you can give the types of effects also, and loops, and then notes, percussions, and space. If there is you are creating a project related to space, I tell before only. I told that there's a types of backdrop, sprites, and then sounds also. So if you're creating a project according to the space, you can choose and sports and then voice. Yeah, there is no shark sound. What am I doing is, and I didn't speak the sound of a shark. So simply, I will be go to YouTube and I want to upload the sound from the YouTube. For example, shark, shark music. No. Shark sound effect. Shark sound. Yeah. So this is about all the sounds. I want only shark. Yeah, it is suitable for my project. So I want to upload this sound in the Scratch. There are two ways. We can download and we can upload, and we can create the audio and we can separate the audio from the video. You can separate. For example, share, copy link. It will be copied here, right? And go to the Scratch. Click on save now. Yeah, it is saved. So simply let us move to Google MP4 to MP3 converter. Here we can see Cloud Converter and YouTube Converter. It means there is a two types. It means if you want to download that music and you have to create link and you can upload the sound. Or if you pasted or if you copied the link of your YouTube, so simply you can choose the YouTube. So I am choosing YouTube to MP3 converter. Here we can see the paste. Yeah, we have to paste. We already copied in before the sound of a shark. Convert. Yes. Yes, I'm converting. So, for example, I'm choosing another. I'm trying once again. We have to paste the link. Click on convert. Yeah, here we can see the shark sound, right? Yeah, loading video and checking video. Our video about the shark sound. So it will be converting. Yes, we have to download, or we can convert next, or we can play, or we can Dropbox. I'm simply downloading. Yeah, here we can see downloading the file. Yeah, the shark sound is downloaded, right? Yeah, we get a notification. Yes. Now let us move to the scratch, and then we can upload this one. Okay, right. And after uploading, we can do animate for another one also, and we can complete our project. So let us move to our project. Here we downloaded and we get a notification of the shark sound. So let us upload a sound. At first we have to click the shark and move to sounds. Yeah, there is no sounds, right? We have to upload files. So we have to move to downloads. Yes, here we can see the audio shark sound. Simply click on this, open. Let us see. It will be importing. We have to wait for. Yes, it will be imported. Yes, this is the sound of a shark. So let us see. So I want to arrange the background sound for the scratch. Shark. When the event is clicked, play sound shark sound. I uploaded, right, and the shark is functioning like this. It will be set to x in such position and y in such position, and it will be repeated for 20 times. It will be moved 20 steps, and the costume will be switched automatically, switched, and also at this time the sound will be played. So this is the code I given for shark. Let us test. Yes, it is changing and it is coming, it's functioning. So the code for this shark is completed. So for backdrops, I want to switch the backdrops. There is only single backdrop, but we painted and we noticed the four backdrops, right? So we can use these backdrops. When the event block is clicked, switch backdrop to 1 and wait for 4 seconds and switch backdrop to 2. With me there are 4 backdrops, so I'm choosing those backdrops for this, and for looking attractive I'm using the weight block 4 and 4 and 3. Yes, this is a too large code, so I'm choosing forever. Let us see. Yeah, it will be same. Yes, 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 yes. So I'm decreasing the time limit to 2. And the sound for this shark is too large. So I'm cutting the sound from this. Yes, delete. Yeah, it is a short sound, too short sound. Now it will be simple. Now let us see the fun. Yeah, the sound is changing and all the one is changing. So I want to decrease the delete and some more sound. Yeah, this sound is sufficient. It means it too short sound. So we completed in changing the backdrops and changing the costumes. So let us move to the ball. Let us see. When the green flag is clicked, switch costume to 1 and wait for 1 second. switch costume to 2 and wait for 1 second, and then switch costume to 3 and wait 1 second, and then switch costume to 4. Wait 1 second. Let us see what happened. I will be arranging the forever loop for this ball. Yeah, the ball color is changing. Automatically, the backdrop also changing, right? So wait, there is no use of wait block, right? It will be changing with some time limit. Let us see what happened without time limit. Yeah, there will be no changing in the ball color. So we have to use wait for 1 second. I'm choosing wait for 1 second. Here also I am choosing wait for 1 second. Now let us see what happened for this. Yeah, the ball is changing the color. The scratch, it means the shark is also working. The backdrops also changing at a time. Now let us move to this fish. When the green flag is clicked, forever loop, move 10 steps and switch costume to 1 and then switch costume to 2 and this one is 1 and then wait, let us see. Yeah, the small fish is working, but there is no movement, we can't say. 20, I'm increasing. Yeah, I want to increase this for 5 and this for 25. Let us see. Now let us see. So for this also, I want to move 25. After switching costume to also, it will be more, sorry, 10 steps and it is for also 10 steps. At first, the small fish will be moved for 10 steps and it will be switched costume to 1. And after 5 seconds, it always moved 10 steps and it will be switched costume to 2. It will be moving and stopping. So move 20 steps and move 20 steps. Here I am placing the wait for 5 seconds. Now let us see how it will be works. Yeah, it's coming this side also. So we have to decrease the steps 50 and 50. Oh no, the fish is missed. So we have to set the x and y position for this. What is the x position for this one is minus 217 and y is 13. So we have to set x from 2 minus 217, set y to 13. Yeah. Yes, it will be moving and coming, it will be setting to this position. So like this, it will be setted with the position. And after reaching the ball, the scratch shark will be said, the shark will be said that, oh no, this is a ball. Like that, it will be said when the event is clicked. No, I am arranging with this. Yes. I am arranging when the event, when the green flag is clicked and another code, we have to wait for 5 seconds because it will be reached and after moving it will be says Let us see. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry. It is a ball. Ball. Yeah. It is said to be for 5 seconds. Let us see. Sorry, 5 seconds. Now let us see. Yes. Oh, no. Yeah, this is a project. For this, I want to give a sound in this only. The fish sound. Let us see. No, right? Low. So I'm choosing animals. In animals, we can find that sound, I hope. Now let us check. Yes. No. Let us see. Let us see this sound. No, right? So I will be selecting the crick only. In animal sound, let us see. Crick. Yeah, this is some suitable. So I want to increase the sound, or if you want the softer sound, you can, or if you want to louder. Yeah, the sound is too faster. You can decrease. Yeah, too slower. Yeah, it is some. Now let us move to this one. When the event block is clicked, now play sound chip creep forever loop. It will be played for forever. Yeah, it will be saying, oh no, like that. And after this, if I am placing stop all, let us see what happened. What will happen? Yeah, it will be automatically stopped after this functioning. So I chosen the stop all. So I am renaming like foolish shark. Foolish shark. So I hope you enjoyed this. So here we can see the file. You can click on save now, it will be saved, or you can click as save as a copy, it will be copied, or if you want to save, if it will be missed anytime, you can be choose load from your computer. If you save to your computer, it will be downloaded and it will be saved in our computer. And if yeah, here we can see the fully shark copy sb3 is ready. If this project is missed, you can simply click on file and you can load from your computer. For example, I will choose file. Yeah, we completed this one, right? Okay. Yeah, it will be loading as a new project. Yes, there is the same one. If it is will be missed, you can choose like this or edit. You can restore a sound or you can turn on the turbo mode. Tutorials like you can animate and you can see the tutorials and you can create a project with for your idea. See project page here about my stuff, etc. Yeah, I think my project is completed. So see the project page. Yeah, this project is not shared, so only you can see it. Click to share and everyone see it. If you click on the share, everyone can see. So first I will rename. Yes, foolish shark. So here we can see the comment section, and stars like in YouTube also we can see the likes like that. In Scratch also for our video they will be commented, and we can receive the notification in our message, and also they will be liked. So here we can see the C1. I'm only saw this project, so it will be showing as C. So for example, instructions. When the green flag is clicked, green flag is clicked, you can see the animation, etc. So it will be instructions to the viewers. If they will be open your project, what it may be opened or not open. So they will see the instructions, like it will be shown like this. When the green flag is clicked, you can see the animation, etc. So they will be understood like, oh, this is an animation, so we have to click on the green flag and we can see animation like that. They will be understood. And notes and credits. If you want to thank anyone, or if you want to say anything to someone, or all, so simply I am choosing like thank you all. Yeah, it will be completed. Comments. If it will be shared, there will be comments on this video. If you want to stop the comments, yeah, sorry, the comment posting has been turned off for this project, so there is no comments. If you want to click on comment, yeah, and also yes, we can choose n number of languages for this. Yes, right. So I am choosing English language for my convenient. You can choose, and here we can see share. If you want to share this project, you can, or this project remains same in your stuff. There is no one can see this project. Simply share, and yeah, copy link. It will be copied to your clipboard. So if you didn't get notification, I will show another time. Yes, let's, yeah, if you didn't get this notification on your Gmail account, so there is no sharing option for your project. So, and after finishing, let us move to our WhatsApp, and we can paste anywhere in our groups. So we can choose and we can paste. Yeah, it will be pasted, and it will be gone. So this is a small project with some animation. So I think you enjoyed this project. So this is about scratch coding, like how to create a project, etc., and how to animate, etc., in this scratch. This is a simple video on that. So I hope you enjoyed and you understood something about the scratch. So I really thankful to the team of ZPHS Indiranagar and the EPAM team for providing such a wonderful opportunity to me. And thank you for watching and listening with your patience. Thank you all. Thank you. Yes, this is about scratch coding. I hope you can also do this, and you can also do animations in scratch. Thank you.